Hi, this is Ryan Brown from mockquestions.com. In today's video, we will be discussing 5 tax analyst interview questions. But before we do that, just a quick disclaimer. These questions are not guaranteed to be asked at your interview. I've pulled all of today's questions and answers from our website, mockquestions.com. Now, let's get started. Question number 1. Why did you want to become a tax analyst? This question is a way for the interviewer to find out a little bit about what makes you tick. Be honest and direct. Don't give a phony answer that the interviewer will see through. Since I was young, I have always liked math and have been good with numbers. I took an accounting class in high school and really enjoyed it. The concepts came naturally to me. I also aspire to be a key contributor to an organization, and I know that the analyst role is visible to leadership. Question number 2. How would you handle working in an increasingly remote environment? This is a question to gauge if you are disciplined enough to work from home. Be sure to touch on how you would stay focused and communicate with team members. Even after things return to normal, remote work may continue to be more common across many industries, including accounting. I have experience working remotely. At my internship, we were able to work from home on Fridays since it was summer. I enjoyed working from home and was able to stay on task and communicate effectively with my team members. There were some ground rules I implemented, such as maintaining regular hours, keeping my morning routine as if I was going to the office, and scheduling breaks to take care of non-work related tasks. I also had a standing meeting with my manager and team members every morning to discuss priorities for the day. Question number 3. How would you go about calculating estimated taxes for the current year? Like individuals, companies are required to pay taxes throughout the year. Most individuals, however, have taxes withheld from their paychecks and, if necessary, pay estimated taxes. Companies, on the other hand, need to pay estimated taxes each quarter, as that is the only mechanism to pay taxes regularly. At the highest level, estimated taxes for a business are based on forecasted taxable income. Quarterly estimated tax payments are a necessary tool to make regular tax payments to the federal and state governments. In order to properly calculate estimated taxes, I would work with accounting and business planning teams to develop a monthly forecast for the current year. Using the financial forecast, I would then make book-to-tax adjustments to arrive at taxable income. From there, I can calculate the estimated taxes owed. It is important to refresh this calculation each month so that the estimated taxes are always based off the latest information available. Question number 4. How are C corporations taxed differently than S corporations? A question like this may be asked to test your knowledge on the differences between the two most common business structures. One of the biggest differences between C corporations and S corporations is taxation. The main difference between C corporations and S corporations is how they are taxed. C corporations pay taxes on the profits, and the owners also pay taxes on dividends received from the corporation. S corporations are not taxed. Instead, the profit is taxed on the owner's personal income tax returns. Both taxation methodologies have their advantages and disadvantages. Question number 5. The tax department interacts frequently with other departments. What are some of the ways that you can show professionalism when representing our department? A tax analyst represents a department as a whole when they interact with other departments. Acting professional is not something that comes naturally to people new to the workforce. The interviewer is gauging how much awareness the candidate has. It is extremely important to display professionalism when we are interacting with other departments and external auditors. First and foremost, I know that I must look the part by adhering to the appropriate dress code. Secondly, I know I must act professionally. This means speaking respectfully to all personnel, whether it is the company's CFO or a personal assistant. I shouldn't take personal phone calls or play music loudly. As a general rule, I shouldn't do or say anything that would harm our department's reputation. Thank you for watching. If you want more practice for your tax analyst interview, click our link below or head over to mockquestions.com today and get started.